Hi guys, welcome back. This is another tutorial for the over the wire Bandit series of challenges. Today we're doing Bandit level 7. Let me just connect here, Control Shift V to paste our password in there, and let's clear the welcome message, print our working directory, and we're in the right place as the right user. Okay, let's read our brief. So the password for this level is stored in the file data.txt next to the word millionth. Do we have the file? We do. Is it a text file? It is. Can we read it? We can. What does it look like? Okay, so it's a string on the left followed by a password on the right. The strings start with a mixture of upper and lowercase, and there's some special punctuation characters in there as well. But it looks like, as a general rule, there's never two strings on one line and there's never two passwords on one line. I wonder. I mean, this is a massive document. We can actually check how big this is with cat n data.txt, and it should output a numbered. Oh wow, okay. So there's nearly 10,000 strings in here. This would take us a while to look through. Do you think random scroll, do you think I could get it? No, not seeing it. I thought I had it for a second. Anyway, so here grep is going to be our best friend because grep prints each line that matches a pattern. So if we can match the pattern millionth on the left, it will print the whole line, which should include the password if we think about how that file was laid out. Okay, there's a couple of ways we could do this. We could use cat to read the file, and then we could pipe the output of cat instead of to the command line. We could pipe it to grep and use the flag the option -i to ignore case, because remember there was upper and lower case characters on the left here, and grep is case sensitive. And then we can include the pattern that we're looking for, which is millionth. And then I wonder if we use the option E that tells grep that there are multiple patterns that I want to look for. I wonder if the word sneak is in there as well. So I'm just curious. Oh, there is. Okay, so there's millionth. We've got sneakers, sneak, sneakiest, sneaked, sneaking, sneak, sneakers, sneakers, and sneakier. Oh, smash that. Oh, and sneaky. But we've got millionth here. And the command without both of these flags would be just the concatenate output of data.txt piped into grep, ignoring cases, and looking for the pattern millionth, and there's our password. We can also use this command without cat, because grep, as we saw from the manual, grep prints, what did it say? Prints each line that matches the pattern, so it'll print a standard output. So we don't need cat in this command. We can just literally say grep ignore case sensitivity, look for the pattern. Oops, my quotation's gone. Look for the pattern millionth, and grep can also take files as an argument. So look for the pattern millionth in data.txt, and we can see that there. Another thing we can do here is, just out of curiosity to see how sort of close we were to finding it randomly, we can give grep the ignore case command, and then we can say I want the number of whichever line millionth sits on. So it'll give the whole, it'll count which line millionth is on. You can also give it the context command, so it'll print the if we give it a context of 2, it'll print the 2 lines above millionth and the 2 lines below millionth. So now we need to tell it what it's looking for. It's looking for millionth, and it's going to take data.txt as an argument. So here it's millionth was on line 86,483, and above it was Oasis, Deportation, Wares, and Southerners were below it. Just as like a little interesting tidbit about the n flags and the context flags when you're scanning through a large piece of data like this. Alright guys, remember to Control-Shift-C, take your password, sever your connection, and you're ready for your next challenge. Thank you for watching guys.